In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Squarespace AI visibility tools to optimize your site content. First, head to your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're in, look for the AI visibility area, sometimes labeled Beacon AI. It may appear as a panel or a tool inside your site settings or marketing features, depending on your account. If you see it, open it. This is where Squarespace helps evaluate how clearly your content can be understood and surfaced by AI systems that summarize or recommend web pages. Next, choose the page or piece of site content you want to check. Start with a high impact page, your home page, a services page, a product detail, or a top performing blog post. Selecting a page with real traffic gives you the biggest payoff when you make improvements. Now let Squarespace analyze the content. Initiate the check and give it a moment to process. Behind the scenes, it's scanning your text, structure, and metadata to see how well an AI can interpret what your page is about, who it's for, and which details are most important. When the results appear, review the visibility findings and suggestions carefully. You might see notes about unclear headings, thin or repetitive copy, missing page titles or descriptions, images without alt text, or sections that are hard to parse. Pay close attention to anything that suggests ambiguity because iSystems do best when your page purpose and key points are explicit and well organized. Based on the recommendations, improve the page content, structure, or metadata. Tighten your headline to clearly state the topic or offering. Use a single descriptive H1 and logical H2 subheadings to create a clear outline. Expand short sections so they fully answer common user questions, and break up long walls of text for readability. Add or refine your page title and meta description so they summarize the page in plain language. Give images concise, descriptive alt text. Clarify calls to action so it's obvious what visitors should do next. Keep your language direct, avoid jargon, and place the most important information near the top of the page. After you make updates, recheck the page with the tool. Confirm that warnings have diminished and that your visibility score or qualitative feedback has improved. If something still flags, iterate until the analysis reflects your changes. Finally, repeat this process for other important pages across your site. Prioritize your homepage, key product or service pages, and cornerstone articles, then work through the rest over time. With consistent review and refinement, your content becomes easier for AI systems and people to understand and recommend. And